It's gonna be my book. See, first, when you hear something that's soft, you don't rush it. You relax, take it in.
What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss coming back with another Versus. And when I do this Versus, I don't never do it by myself. I have to bring the lovely Kenna back in the building. And the reason why I brought Kenna on this show is because I understand that this is going to be a very popular episode because we have a trilogy now. I'm about to get into this right now. We are doing the battle of the battles. This is Azzaro, the most wanted, the eau de toilette. Okay? Brand new, baby. Yes, I got it. Then we have the Azzaro, the most wanted eau de parfum intense. Lastly but not least, we have Azzaro, the most wanted parfum. So, all right, can I pick which one you want to smell first? The original. All right, y'all. She want to smell the toilette first. Check that out.
That's real tangy.
Too much.
If y'all like, I mean,
Your preference.
it's real citrusy. Like,
Yep, remember this is your preference though. So this is what you like.
true. I feel like maybe it'll be softer on a nigga. I don't know.
But first impression though.
Tangy.
Just, do you like it?
It's cool.
It's just cool? Okay. Which one you smell now?
Let's do that one.
She want to smell the original, the most wanted.
Okay. Fuck. Ooh. That smells a lot better. I fuck with this one.
A lot more.
Mm-hmm.
What did it do that was better than the original?
It's more woody, so it's not as like tangy, like musky.
Okay, it's more like what, sweeter?
I don't know why I feel like this one give young nigga, this one give old nigga money.
Old nigga money.
Like it just gives I'm more mature. This is what I wear. I don't know.
More mature.
Yeah, like I can see an older nigga wearing that.
So which one you like the most then?
The one I just.
The one you this one? All right, so she said the Azzaro, the most wanted eau de parfum is
the
better.
The first one smell like a little boy.
Better than the little boy. So we finna see if it's better than the parfum. Hold up.
That's different. I ain't never saw this before or anything like this. Oh shit. This give Dubai nigga like, oh shit, I like this.
He's giving rich money.
Yeah, like this different. I can't even explain how it smells. Like orangey. I don't know. I fuck with that. It's real fresh.
It's real fresh.
Mm-hmm.
She like it, draw.
It smells orangey though. Like why it smell orangey?
I don't know.
Like tangerine.
They probably put some tangerine in here. But which one you like the most though?
I like this one.
You like this one more?
Yeah.
Damn. It's all the most wanted parfum.
You know, it's a girl's opinion.
So y'all, if y'all are out there in the streets and you want to know the best Azzaro, the most wanted, she said the parfum.
Hold on. If you want to smell childish, this one. If you want to smell like more like a grown ass man, the darkest one. Like this more smell like serious. This smell like I'm about to go golf. If that
but
makes
this one
sense.
smell like that. Little kid.
Like, yeah, it smell like a little kid just trying out some new colognes. They just smell real tangy. Like,
boring.
yeah, like if you a musty nigga, don't put that on top of you.
It's not gonna mix.
No, it's
Damn.
gonna elevate that must.
So look, y'all, if y'all in the store, go get the Parfum. I guess you don't recommend the eau de toilette intense that just came out.
If you want to be taken serious, this.
Get that one. All right.
I
Make
can
sure
see
y'all
it.
follow her on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I'm gonna make sure her stuff. I'm gonna put it like right next to her at the bottom of the screen. I love y'all so much. Don't waste y'all money. If I was gonna tell y'all my favorite, the most wanted, I gotta say the Parfum too. I really like the Parfum as well. It's like more fruitier and more gourmand. I just like the sweetness of it.
Yeah, it's different.
And it's
Ain't
stronger.
nobody doing it like this.
Nope, and it's very unique.
Maybe.
All right, y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching. I'm Big Boss. This is Kenna. And we out.